Okay, I went live over here.
I might actually use my phone microphone.
You take our challenge,
check.
You pass the challenge,
Okay.
you get
Check.
funded, and then from there, you make a profit.
Check.
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
now.
You said start up the live stream, like the charts?
No. Like, do you have like something that can record this? Like, usually I record this on OBS, but I'm gonna come join you.
Oh,
guys.
I mean, I'm recording it on my YouTube channel. Is it a live stream? I can actually, I could record this entire thing. I totally forgot. OBS, I started recording.
Just press record on OBS.
And we're live.
Nick showing off muscle.
Alright, it's recording. Let me check that the
Awesome.
computer
No,
audio
you're
is.
good. Thank you. Just gonna this come with you guys. All right, back to it. So we were on this for a little bit, but I do want to get this recording. So now we're recording for anyone who did miss this, but we're currently going over what's included in had one with me and Mamba on Sunday. Nick did a back testing session and stuff on Monday. I'm gonna do one with you guys tomorrow, and then also we have Chris and Mark here who will also do one in the future. So there's that. The in-person events having exclusive access, and I just told you guys the computer giveaway and stuff, and how you guys can what's it called? How you guys can win the computer is based upon the amount of tickets. It's a raffle. You buy a 50K, one ticket. You buy 100K, two tickets, 150K, three tickets. And the more tickets you have, obviously the higher chances you have. And then one of you guys is gonna go home with a brand new freaking laptop, signed by Mamba FX. You know what I'm saying? But it's absolutely insane, guys. I want to first off reiterate my appreciation for all you guys who are being here, all you guys who already have the OG member badge, who've been showing up, showing love, coming to all the AMAs, also coming to live trading and just supporting when it comes to the the Instagram videos, and just stay tuned. So one of the questions that we got a second ago is when will you guys get your accounts? We are literally in the final stages of testing, of going in, testing the accounts, making sure they all work. And obviously that we've said it before, but you guys are going to be the first people that get access to your accounts. We already have your emails. You guys already purchased. So once they're ready, which is going to be very, very soon, you're going to get sent right to you. I don't want to tell you guys like, oh, tomorrow, because we're literally all of today. I was testing them even tomorrow. And obviously we're going to give you guys the best product possible. So can't wait till you guys actually get them. You guys are going to be the first that obviously get them in your email. You'll be able to sign in. We're going to have videos going over how to access your account, sign in, and trade them. Me and Mamba are working on the free futures course. It's in depth, guys. You guys got to understand that. It's not like we just sit down one day. It's not like you're just going to sit down one day and be able to bust them all out. Like, we're kind of going in depth on different days. You want to do stuff, what we're including, and trying to make it as good as possible. And then some of them are already getting edited. So stay tuned. You guys are going to get access first to the free futures course when it comes to being an OG member. And I can't wait to see who wins the laptop and stuff too. It'd be pretty cool. I love it. So will our monthly get pushed back? So we talked about this as a team. What you guys can do is, if you guys, because this is how it works. So if people don't understand how the monthly works, is that let's say you guys get your challenge and you guys trade your challenge or whatever. In 30 days, you guys can reset that account and it'll get reset. The account gets back to zero, all this type of stuff. The pro to that is that more often than not, we're going to have discounted rates when it comes to the reset fees, where if you guys wait for the reset, it's going to be cheaper than your guys's getting like a new account or whatever. So if you guys want your reset bumped, and you have to wait a whole another 30 days, you totally can. We can message us, but I'm just giving you guys the option, because what you'll see is you guys are going to get in your accounts, trade them, whatnot. Let's say you guys even pass them. You guys will be able to reset, get a new one, or let's say that, obviously if you don't get one, you guys will get one, what's it called, sooner than having to wait a whole another 30 days. So here's the thing. Someone said, can I buy an account? Yes, you guys can go right here. Here's the link to the pre-sale page. Go down and use code OG20 for 20% off. 20% off. And you guys will get the badge. Go open a ticket with support on the side. They're going to give you guys a badge and go crazy. Join the OGs. Yes, sir. Exclusive calls, easy. Y'all pay out to bank or cash in person, because I see another guy curious why. So we can do that. Like, if there's people who are here in San Diego, who would rather get it that way, or not even in San Diego, in LA or whatever, we can do it in person, but it'll be like through what's it called, like Rise or whatever. So it'll be direct to your Rise, and you can go right to your bank account. Right to your bank account. OG, yes sir, I love that. And it'll be cool, guys. So I want to tell you guys one more time, but you guys are gonna get your accounts first. And for those who don't know, you guys can pass your accounts in as little as 2 days. A lot of other people are used to a lot of firms that make you trade multiple days, all this type of stuff. I can't wait to see who's going to be getting funded, because we're going to see like right away when it comes to like next week. We're going to see people that are funded in the chat sending screenshots already with their live accounts. It's going to be awesome. What's the payout like bi-weekly on demand? Yes. Yes. How about the pre-sale? How do I get the badge? On the left side of my, or actually you guys can't see my screen right now. I'm going to share it real quick. Everyone jump in real quick to the window where I'm sharing my screen. There we go. Is the minimum trading day 5 days? That's to get a payout. You can pass the challenge sooner. If you guys see my screen over here on the left, what you can do is scroll down to where it says help desk. Okay, when you guys click on help desk, go see you can open a ticket, and once you open a ticket, we have support 24/7 around to help you guys with whatever you need. But when it comes to, like, if you guys purchase a challenge and want the OG badge and stuff, you guys open a ticket, send confirmation that you guys actually purchased, and then you guys will get your badge and access to the private channel. Always feel free, guys. I said this on, kind of the first AMAs and stuff, but I want to take pride in our support. There's no hidden anything. We're not here, not getting back to you, waiting multiple days to get a response about anything. I want you guys to think of Legacy as a place like, you know what? I like trading with them because anytime I need anything, I have an answer like that. Because I don't know if you guys have seen in the chat, but it's already been like that. There's people who will pop in, have a question. We already have mods and people there answering. So it's only going to continue. and only get better and better, especially when it comes to when you guys get your accounts and have questions and this and that. I want you guys to be able to have faith and be confident that like if you guys have a question, you're going to get it figured out and answered. Will there be an OG aim after Asia? Not today. That's what I was saying. Is tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm looking to do one with you guys. I'm going to announce it in the OG announcements. You guys will see. As we prepare and get ready for the accounts and stuff, it's going to be awesome, guys. Hope to see you OG members soon. Yes, sir. Open a ticket. Yes, sir. Trading here at church right now. Awesome, Alex. Congrats. Well, this is amazing, guys. 100 of you guys here. It's super fun to have multiple educators here. Like I said, we're looking to catch a banger here. For people who don't know, maybe just jumped on. We live trade here every single day in the Discord. Everyone who I have on here are actual traders who aren't afraid to come here, show your guys's, show their analysis, why they're taking a trade, and win in front of you guys. Like all of them are on pretty crazy win streaks, and it's not like I could even lie about it because half of you guys actually go to the live streams. So if it was cap, like a lot of you guys could just like say in the chat, be like, nah, like, But you guys can message me also if you guys ever have anything you guys want to say or suggestions to the streams or whatever. It's cap. London been feeding, yes sir. I know New York, Asia been feeding. Like we're literally here to help you guys. So when it comes to today, we literally after jet skiing, we're just here on the charts looking at stuff. We have a pretty good setup that we're gonna go over with Mark, and it's gonna be crazy. How does the monthly payment work? So kind of how I was talking about is it's a reset fee. So if you guys buy a challenge and it goes 30 days and you got like, let's say you guys buy a challenge for $99, right? But your guys' reset fee is $79. Instead of having to go buy another account for $99, you guys can have your subscription kind of go and reset your account at a discounted price where you're actually saving money on the reset. So that's kind of how it's going to be. I know a lot of people are like not used to that at first. But you guys will see with as you guys start doing it, you guys will probably enjoy it a little bit more. Save money in the long run, especially with the discounts you're going to get being an OG member and the ones that we're going to have out. You'll see. You don't understand the resets? It's what I just talked about, which is basically when you have like a discounted reset fee or whatever, you're basically able to get a new account at a much discounted rate. Which right now you guys are already getting them for 20% off. And stuff. So that's why I'm giving you an example. Like, let's say you guys have a $99 account, but your guys' reset fee is even like sometimes we'll do $50, right? So every month you get a new account, yeah, like it'll just reset. Like the account that you already have, it'll reset back to break even. If you guys need a new one, and like I said, if you guys have it at a discounted rate, so it's cheaper to do it like that than do it. But you guys can easily cancel it. Like a bunch of you guys I already see canceled it. You guys probably get a new account or whatever. You'll see with time that it's beneficial to have that. Went for a buy on gold since the previous day. Let's go. Let me know when you get out. I already know you're on the charts. What's the limits of the account? You can be funded up to $450,000 in live funded capital at once. But so like that's basically like a max of like 350K accounts. But what you could do is, let's say you have a fourth or a fifth funded account. What will happen is, like, let's say, you had a 3 funded account, or like you have 5, but you have 3 basically, quote unquote, in the chamber. If you lose one of them, one of the other ones you have already have funded will filter into one of the spots. 50% consistency, yeah. 50% consistency. But I mean, guys, it's like, I see a lot of firms with like 20, 25, which is pretty crazy. And I always say this, but I feel like anyone who doesn't like the consistency rule, or even like a high one like that, is just they try to hit home runs, right? Which that's not really a strategy. That's getting lucky. You guys have an edge, and you guys are trading profitably with like, all of your profits shouldn't come from one big trade. Let's run these evals up. Yeah, and guys, you guys will be able to trade these accounts live with all of our educators. We're obviously running it up, giving you guys suggestions, contract sizes to use, how to do it. Awesome. Yeah, 50% is really high in my opinion. Awesome. Well, that's good. It just helps you guys as traders. So I always say, built by traders for traders. We're here for you guys. It's going to be awesome. Any questions, guys? And then we're going to get into live trading too. So basically updates is testing the accounts. OG members, you guys are gonna be getting your accounts and your emails first. You guys are gonna hear about it first also because I'm gonna alert you guys in the OG announcement saying, hey, everyone, check your emails. Accounts are out. All that type of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Live trading every single session. What'd you take this morning? Yeah, we can go over what I took this morning real quick, and then we'll get into just Asia live trading. Real quick, we'll just go over it, guys. So over here, going into the morning on US 30 and NASDAQ, what I saw, this was earlier. This wasn't New York. New York was this sell-off right here. So looking at US 30, looking at NASDAQ, I ended up taking NASDAQ, but I'll give you guys what I was looking at for both of them. So it's replay price over to like New York. Just like, yeah, right around here. So as you could see, I liked sells on US 30 more than NASDAQ because to me, it looks like we overall melted right here, lower highs and lower lows continuing. And this was potentially just like a fib pullback to discount to continue lower. So like if you come up here, you draw like a fib down or even, up in here, whatever. Looks like we're retracing back up into here to potentially continue lower. So that's what I was kind of thinking on US 30. Because the market structure was kind of telling me that and kind of like took liquidity above. We had Asia, London, and New York highs right here, took it up and started having bearish price action coming down. So I was open to that potentially coming into New York Open. So the one thing I talked about is you can see right here, we're at 625, which is right before New York Open. Right before open, this candle was yet to close below here. Like we still were kind of like channeling within this range. So I clearly had like my highs up in like this area. Lows are right here. And I was like, you know what? If we bought back up here, we'd probably just buy to take out the London highs. If we sold, I probably, like, I was more inclined to sell. Like, because we made a lower high here and we're breaking structure, I would have been down to sell below here. But because we already had a break of structure below before open, I don't trade before that opening thing because usually what happens is like, it'll open in here. Let's say you get into sells and it just like kind of goes up because then the session volume comes in and pushes it up, right? So it kind of leads to a fake out. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to take it just yet. I need to wait for price to like come, make a low, and if we can retrace up into here, what this is doing for me is it's creating a new level of support. So now that I have a newfound like level right here, now I'm more inclined to like, you know what, we sold, we retested. If we re-break these lows down in here, I'll get into these sells to continue like the move lower and try to execute somewhere within here, right? But that was my game plan. Of course, having a game plan not always works out perfectly because the markets don't give two shits about your game plan. So what ended up happening is the shorts look good. I had my sell up here, but because we broke structure, I need a newfound level of support. But what ended up happening? No newfound level of support. It literally dumped right to TP. I had Asia lows sitting over here that I was aiming for, and I was telling everyone once we swept Asia lows that there could be some sort of pullback. So if they did execute the sells, to potentially take some partials in this area to, secure profits. What ended up happening is it kind of came down a little bit. But like, anyone who was on one of those first AMAs, I went over my session liquidity strategy. If I become an OG member, my chance of winning higher. You only can win if you're an OG member when it comes to the computer, by the way. Can you explain the difference between lots and contracts? Just different ways that you're, exclusive educational calls. Yeah, get ready for that. We're gonna go over the difference between lots and contracts, but it's easier than you think. But come back over here, guys. You can see we kind of just swept, channeled, but like I kind of talked about, is what happened right after we took that Asia low. Enough liquidity to continue back higher. So I had no trade on US 30. I was watching this all play out. Now let's go over to what I actually took on NASDAQ. So coming into here, coming into like 625. I mean, if we go to the hourly like we did on, US 30 before, you guys can see that I wasn't really I didn't think sells didn't look as good as US 30. Like US 30 was already in a lower high, breaking structure, kind of coming down. This to me, when I kind of zoomed out, I was like, you know what? Yes, we kind of formed a low, but we also have these highs right here. We're kind of in a consolidation. Like I wouldn't, like if we broke above here, I could see us come up to these highs and maybe rejecting the supply. But if we broke below, then I also be down for both. So I was a little bit more indecisive about NASDAQ about exactly what direction. All I knew is that we still were within the London range and that from this London range, we already swept it and had this move up. So going to the lower time frames, leading into session open, what is it, 625? What I looked at was like, you know what? We already swept London lows. We kind of came back and formed a support. And we kind of just been like moving up here. So I drew a little like to me, price was kind of forming kind of like a wedge, right? Like it was squeezing, starting to squeeze, somewhat like this in between, and then as simple as having my resistance up here, my support down in this area. And this was like my level was leading into session open. What ended up happening, NASDAQ made a beautiful low. What did it do right after? Led to session open, beautiful high up in this area here. Now, let's talk about targets. So for anyone who was on that AMA, first off, it's on the YouTube, so you guys can go back and watch it. But how I view session highs and session lows. To me, they have a lot of generated liquidity above and below them. So when we get to those areas, we're most likely going to lead to some sort of reaction because it's gaining orders, gaining liquidity, and then going to have a move away from them. So me buying this during New York Open, I was aware that we had untouched London highs up in this area. So after I got in here, I had like a 20 point stop loss, something like this. And you can see we hit almost like a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward up into here. But when we came and took out that London high, I closed a majority of my position. People who were there, trade with me this morning, know this is where I said close the majority. I didn't close all because I wanted to see if we can get a runner. Price came, closed the majority of my position. Rest came and hit me break even. But all this was shaking out early buyers to do what? Continue back up anyways. Right? And then we just kind of channeled all day. Break, retest, kind of continued. But the buys were correct. It kind of just came. I'm just glad that I followed through because I had a setup like this on, I forget if it was this week or last week, that was pretty similar where I bought into a level that I was like, you know what, as soon as we clear the session highs, I want to take partials. But guess what? It hit the session highs. I didn't close anything and it hit me break even. So followed the rules today, bought up, cleared the London highs, closed the majority of my position, rest hit me break even, but it was still a W day. Didn't take anything else. That was the only trade for me today. So that was basically my trade for the morning. Does that make sense? You guys learned something? W's? Quick little W's? W trade? Yes, sir. Thank you, W. Hell yeah. Awesome, guys. Well, first off, I appreciate you. Stay tuned. If you guys are not an OG member, here's the link to go. Use OG20, get you guys an account, and I'll see you guys in the OG member call tomorrow. I'm going to go upstairs and join them for Asia now, but we are going to go crazy. Hopefully catch a little banger. We got all the boys upstairs, so I'm going to go join them. Any last minute questions, ask me. If not, let's get into Asia live trading. W's. You start training or not yet? No, we're about to right now. View looks great. Yeah, the guys, they're upstairs on my roof.
Let's go. Luca's
I'm gonna go join them. Yeah.
Luca letting us borrow his place for a little bit, you know what I mean?
All right, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in a second. Ciao.
Okay, so what am I looking for in today's session? They're letting me take initiative because it is gold. You guys know I love trading gold. What am I looking for? What to expect? So what we were initially thinking as soon as Asia session started, this 30-minute time frame, this 5-minute time frame, we're going to use lower time frame for execution. But as for the actual trade that I was looking for as soon as Asia session started, I'm honestly not expecting it to run up higher because we closed below this IFVG, which means it closed, disrespected the gap. And then the only thing that I was like kind of afraid of, which I did share on the Telegram, is that right here we have a candle with no wick. So I was afraid that it might pull up higher, and that's what it did right now. And it might be looking like it's pushing higher, but I think that that's the last kind of target that it was aiming for before we're going to get some sell side back down. So I'm expecting price to like revert anytime around here. We do have another 30-minute gap up here, and you know Asia loves those 30-minute gaps. So here we just also ran back into the daily. Now we're just waiting for some sort of confirmation towards sell side because we did start off the session by disrespecting this 30-minute IFVG. So now all that we're looking for is some sell side momentum. We're looking for a disrespected gap. We want to see it kind of turn around because daily time frames hella bearish. right? So bearish. We have a whole bunch of daily liquidity to aim for. We got a low right here. And all these lows failed to tap into this daily bullish for rally gap. So now we're just kind of looking for that fake out move. This might be the fake out move. We might get a new 30-minute for rally gap right here in between these 3 candles. And we might be able to use that one to actually run down on our target overall, which would be this low right here, 3345. I think we're going to have a beautiful trade in today's Asia session. Beautiful longs. Nice job. But overall narrative's definitely bearish, so I think that's what I'm going to be looking for. Who else trades gold? Who else be trading gold?
Let's run it up, guys. Oh, you can hear me on that side too.
You can just talk from here, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we did just tap it. We looked like we're respecting it perfectly after taking out that previous high right here. I might be looking for a trade just from here, honestly. Because we did take out that high. We closed above it. We could totally start running down now.
Yeah, bro. As everyone knows, higher time frame rules. So we got to follow the higher time frame. Already looks great. That 30-minute looks super clean right now. We're getting a little bit of a, got that little sweep. Respect of that 30-minute inversion. Looks really clean.
Yes, sir.
Good job, Mark.
So all we need now is some confirmation. Remember, we need to scale down to the lower time frame. We need to get some confirmation. We did take out a beautiful high, tapped back into the daily. Look at what happened the last 2 times that we tapped into the daily. We got sell side. But this was before the session started, right? So it's going to be a fake out move. Like, we're running down, but it's not actually going anywhere because the session hasn't started yet. Now the session started. So one more time won't hurt, you know what I mean? As long as we respect this gap right here, we don't run any higher than that, then we're good to go for longs. I mean shorts. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. I think this is definitely a fake out move just to come back above the open of the daily candle. Make people think, hey, we failed to run down on lows. We created a lower low, now we're running up. But I definitely do believe this is a fake out move.
He said he's in buys. No, we're looking for sells.
What the hell? He's our entry liquidity though. I'm honestly just sitting on the floor, but it's comfortable here. It's so comfortable.
Yeah, it's super nice.
How's it looking, Chris? What do you think? Waiting for
awesome.
Luca to get here because we don't really know where to go. Usually on streams, like Luca will send me a DM with the signal that I'm gonna take that day, and that signal like usually hits TP. So I just typically follow Luca around.
Yeah,
He basically
we're
raised
chilling
me
out
as a
with
day
it.
trader. Just waiting for everyone to get here. We're all gonna be posted up right here, cooking up. I wonder where Nick went though. He was up here with us. Come on, Nick. Sacrifice my sleep to watch your stream. Let's go, Ebrock.
Awesome.
Let's go, brother. Okay, we got 25 minutes. What do you guys think is gonna happen? I'm always telling you guys what's happening. What do you guys think is gonna happen? You guys think we get sell side right off here? You think the candle's gonna close first, new candle opens, and then we get sell side? Or do you guys think we're gonna get buy side?
Someone said Nick is camera shy. Nah, he's just gone right now.
Yeah, he's a shy guy. But once you get to know him, he opens up to you. Just such a chill, shy guy. You guys will notice, though, every time the trade always happens from a 30-minute FVG. You guys remember last stream? It was super short and quick. But as soon as that new 30-minute candle opened, we tapped in. We made another fake out move, but we were already break even. And then it closed below and just kept running. Kept running. So we got a beautiful, like, the narrative yesterday was on point. And today it's on point, too. I promise you guys. We closed right here. That already shows us we're disrespecting we're disrespecting bullish confluences. Right here, we closed below this IFVG and this bearish reaper. So now we just need it to get back down there. We just need it to run down. It's fine if it takes a little while because it might be waiting for this new gap to form. We always wait for the gaps because gaps will be our confirmation. This is what I'm looking for, all right? Somebody screenshot it, clip me later, because I think this is going to happen once we get down here. Doesn't matter how much further it goes, you know? All that matters is that once we get down here, we're going to respect that and go lower. 100%, 100%. What is called this guy on YouTube? Marky Trades, guys. Marky Trades. You can find me on YouTube, Marky Trades. Hey, Ivan, thank you. Appreciate that. Marky in the PO3, do you have a New York midnight tick or not? No, I don't mark out New York midnight. I don't typically, like, I feel like when I traded New York midnight, I was trading London session, so it was, like, kind of relevant. I don't think it's very relevant later in the day. I always have other confluences to use. Like, I feel like you're good with just fair value gaps and liquidity. You don't really need a lot, like, to overcomplicate it too much. I use time, like, I use Asia session. I use quarterly theory sometimes. But in terms of overcomplicating it, adding midnight open, that will be relevant in, like, London session. Sometimes you can use it later in the day if it hasn't hit it yet. You can always keep an eye out. If that's something that you like using, go for it, by all means. I just personally don't use it. How's it looking? Of course. What are you guys doing today? What did you guys eat today? Come on, that's a classic. We gotta judge you guys. Who had some ice cream today?
I
Be
didn't
honest.
eat anything, Mark. You guys are starving me.
I'm low-key hungry too. We'll get some food after.
Yes, sir.
When the job's finished. Job's
Yes,
not
sir.
finished
Yes,
yet.
sir.
I wish I had ice cream. I'm so hungry. Oh, my brother. Daniel, go make yourself some food, buddy. My brother's literally home alone, and he just said, I'm so hungry. Come on. Somebody DoorDash this kid some food. I'm not doing it, though. And also, don't drop our address in the chat, buddy.
Definitely not.
Jerk chicken and stram veggie. Oh, wow. Tacos de polo. Hey, chicken tacos.
Lamb chops on the barbecue.
Pollo,
yes,
pollo.
sir.
Had some authentic Cuban food. Where did you have some authentic Cuban food, Aiden? Nice, nice. Chicken Alfredo. Hey, some pasta. Drop Addy. I'll send trust. Don't do it. Don't do it. Daniel, don't fall for this, okay? Don't send it, okay? Please, Daniel. Send the neighbor's address and go pick it up. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Tacos al pastor. There you go. We got a whole bunch of taco eaters in the chat. I love tacos. I could go for a taco right now. Basic steak and rice with some veggies. There you go, Henry. Henry be making bands, by the way. You guys are sleeping on Henry's game. He be pulling up to the stream, making 5 bands, going on about his day, eating some basic steak and rice with veggies. Like, come on. Henry's the man.
They don't know Henry like that.
Ebrock, instead send one of the videos because that's just like a basic like description. Send one of the videos instead. And also don't spam it in the chat. Just let people know that's my channel. I do have a channel. I post if you want to learn what I'm trading and actually understand whenever I let you guys know what I'm looking for, make it make sense to you. Then I do have everything publicly on YouTube. You can find all my YouTube videos there. So if you'd like to learn how to trade gaps, if you'd like to learn how to see liquidity properly and actually form a strategy, then you can find me on YouTube. And that's the link right there. He's not live on YouTube anymore? There you go. That's one of my videos. Thank you so much. Am I not live on YouTube? I'm live on YouTube. Stop streaming. This is looking good. And you guys will probably see if it doesn't melt right now, it will melt once this candle closes and the new one opens. Last time we tried taking a sell, we ended up getting to the first TP, but the reason why we didn't get the second one is because it's a bullish gap. So at the end of the day, you know, it could tap and run up higher before going lower, right? That can always happen. But I do take the risk every time anyways. I trust in the setup. I trust in the setup that I've seen over and over again. Come on, let's go. Rest of the IFG. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in for buys. Good stuff, Z. Go ahead. Can you tell me why you're in for buys? Like, what's your narrative? Like, overall, like the daily time frame, everything is bearish. Like, look, we respected a bearish gap right here, and then we closed bearish, and then we barely missed the bullish gap for the last 2 days. So I definitely think that today this daily candle will draw down into this gap. 100%. Like, I'm confident in that. This is not financial advice. Don't be full porting your accounts. Trade the same way you would normally trade. It can still go up before it goes down, right? But overall, I'm looking for those sell side. Like, once this Asia session, like, volatility hits, we're running down, boys. I'm waiting for this gap to open, close below it. Like, oh, man, that's going to be sauce. What are the bigger gray boxes? Hey, Nix is pulling up. Finally. Drop Nix in the chat, guys. Come on. Hey. Let's go. Welcome to the stream, Nix.
What's up? Looking for
Get some other angles of Nick right there.
Yeah.
Hey. Got him. Luca went to make a drink. What the hell? Luca needs to lock in for real.
What the heck?
Come on, I'm parched right now. I'm over here thirsting for a drink. But I'm still showing up for you guys. I'm just kidding. Let's go. We got everyone here. I'm gonna go mute his computer.
Bro, did you get the signals?
Yeah, I got the signals. Come on.
Dinner on Marky. Marky, is dinner on you?
Could definitely be on me. If we win this trade, we get some payouts.
Alright.
I'm copy trading for like 6 people right now.
Are you still looking for bears?
I'm looking for the bears here, guys. We're going in on bears. We're going in on some sell side. I kind of came late. What are you looking to enter? We're looking for the bears. So we saw early into the session, we instantly closed below this gap. Now we're pulling up into the daily bearish one. We took out some liquidity, and Luca is here.
Oh,
Let's go.
it took 4 years to get up the stairs in the penthouse.
Somebody said Luca was making a drink.
No, I wasn't drinking.
That's true.
Just water.
There you go.
I don't
Water.
drink. I actually don't. I actually don't like drinking.
That's good stuff. Honestly, that's good stuff. Why would you limit your capability for
My
drinking?
brain too big. No, I'm kidding.
That brain power, like why would you take that away?
I am down to full leverage some gold though. Are we getting it?
Well. It's the
James,
full
we're
send
not
traders
smart.
in the chat. I don't know if you guys have ever joined
James,
mine
we're
or
not.
Chris's streams. Guys, I don't know if you've ever joined mine or Chris's streams. We full port the accounts. Our Instagram name is not full send traders for no reason. I full port every
Did
trade.
you get no trade?
Yeah.
What are you wearing?
Shorts
Oh, you already
Shorts.
up? What the fuck?
I just
Thanks for
got
the invite.
off the daily.
How big of a stop loss?
Because we tapped in daily. I think just like literally above the high. If it goes higher than this, we're waiting for
Should I
confirmation.
trade?
You gotta,
I have like a little 100% full port.
So we got 15 minutes until 30-minute candle closes. I think that's when it actually will start running down.
I'm
How big of a
just-
stop
I'm
loss?
just in early.
Just like above the highs is good until later. Like if it goes back
How
up
many
there,
points, though? What's?
3375.
I don't know. I don't trade gold.
It's
I don't know what the contract. What's the contract size? Do you know? Compared to.
for micros.
I'm
No,
on
no,
trade
he's
on
on-
my
he's on
live
MT4.
account.
Oh, well I just went in. How much is your capital?
I just loaded up this. Look at this. I was not full leverage it.
How much?
Okay.
Full leverage would be.
Let me see what that looks like.
You could drop like I think like 4 or 5 lots would be good.
See, that's something I'm not used to because on indices it's like so much smaller. Oh, what I could do is this.
You guys hearing this? He's about a full port too.
Ooh,
Bro's full porting 8 bands. How many of you guys have ever touched 8 bands in your life? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You will after this trade hits.
Are you ready, Mark?
Made 8 in my sleep. Dang!
Chris, you in? You in?
I'm in.
Yeah.
But we can't be encouraging these guys to get in, you know what I mean? They gotta wait for confirmation. Sorry, guys. You guys are waiting for confirmation.
What are you waiting for? IFPG?
Yeah, 30-minute IFEG. We got 15 more minutes. Like, that's what it's waiting for. It's leaving this little gap. You guys see that? But the fact that we already took out this no-wick candle, I called it earlier, guys. I'll show you right now on my phone. I dropped that right here. When we closed below the gap. You guys see this? So when we closed below the gap as soon as Asia opened, I said, might take out this 1 hour candle no wick. That's what I said on the bottom. And the reason why is because this is a really big inefficiency. Like for those people that haven't been hopping into my streams, you'll know that this is what we aim for almost every single stream. Every single time that there's a candle with no wick, it always gets taken out. Even if it closed below this gap, right? We closed below this gap, we still ran up to take it out. But let's go. How's it looking, Luca? How's it looking?
Yeah.
We cooking already?
I don't know. It's still off a little bit. 30 minutes will be nice.
Chris, you gotta get into sight. Get on the right side of the couch.
Oh yeah.
That 30-minute needs to.
You can even set up your laptop somewhere. Oh, you're trading as well.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot
Let's
it's right
go.
there. So,
Let's go. Let's get it. I'm a low-key add another position. So we just filled the immediate rebounds. So there's gonna be no new gap that forms. So I think like now we're just like we're going. You know what I mean?
I got in small because I thought that we would scale it, but I'm already pro.
Yeah. The reason why we can't scale is because the gap no longer exists.
You already closed before. That's crazy.
Okay, Gates. It's. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Whoopsies.
Are you on trading view?
Trade locker.
I mean, yeah, whatever.
I'm honestly so excited to be trading futures though. Let's get it.
Let's go. Full send traders. Nix FX.
Yes, sir. So what we do have though, we don't have a 15-minute gap, but we do have we don't have a 30-minute gap, but we do still have this 15-minute. We might be able to get the trade off this 15-minute once it closes below in 10 minutes. That would be like a good confirmation, kind of showing us we're running down.
Whatever just fills and flies.
I just don't think that's gonna happen because we were running from the daily, you know.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Just what if though? What if we blow our accounts today?
That's what you know. You gotta accept their guys. Every trade you get into, you gotta accept your risk pre-hand.
If anything,
People get in and be mad that it's like, bro, didn't you already like accept the risk when you got in the trade?
Yeah. If anything, we can go straight back to our 9 to 5s.
It's all elegant and shit. Let's take a picture. It's a lot of problems. Damn, why is this kind of tough actually?
Full sending before you let it retest your
Perfect.
FPG is crazy.
I'm gonna AI my face onto it and just make it.
Hey, but look, guys. The reason why, like, you think that we're not waiting for the retest, but the reason why we got in anyways is because we already have confirmation. Like, we have this, and we have the daily gap. It's just for extra confirmation. Like, this would be like it closes below, 100% we're running down. You know. But there's still the risk, and that's why we want the best for you guys. We don't want you guys to be losing money. That's why we wait for confirmation every single time on stream. Even if I'm sneakily placing more positions on my phone, like, you guys will be getting only the A+ setups, you know? Because if you do that early, that's a B setup. B+.
If you guys are showing up
So you
to
guys
every
are-
live stream, you guys will understand our system and know how to trade the system without us even being there.
Being able to take the trades by yourselves, like, that's the goal as trading. You shouldn't just be here signal botting. Like, you want to actually learn the strategies. You want to understand the market and, like, actually execute on it. We still got 10 more minutes. You can see that we pulled back after filling that gap up. Don't be worried. We're still good. We're still good. We got 10 more minutes. If it closes above, though, in 10 minutes, then I'll be worried a little bit.
Oh, we're chilling.
Macro just started as well.
Macaroni.
Macaroni and cheese. We got a 5-minute on the left. Let's go on the right, Let's go lower time frame. Let's see if it respects this 1 minute gap right here. We're expecting it to close below the gap, so if we were to get into a trade right now off of 1 minute, we'd be looking for it to come down and fill this gap below. There's still the risk that we don't fill the gap. Remember, this is a bullish gap, and we're just kind of anticipating that because we're running from the daily, we're probably going to run below this gap and go lower. We also have some really clean targets, which I went over in the beginning of the stream. So let's run it up, guys. 9 more minutes until the close. Everybody quiet now? You know we're going to get a little scared when we got money on the line. Come on.
Locked in.
You can't blame us. Yeah, exactly. It's not scared or quiet. We're locked in.
Scary money don't make money.
Exactly. You could be placing low risk trades, but come on, you got a full
Miguel, what's good?
Uplift Miguel, let's go.
Miguel, what's good, homie?
Who's Miguel? Break it down. What's the lore?
A lot of these guys I coached. They're my students.
Hey, let's go.
Put a W if you're a Currency Cave student, or a 41, or
Let's
are
go.
you a student? See, look at that. See,
I learned
all the
from- I
homies
learned
know.
from-
You guys already know.
Bro,
Put a 41 if you think I'm a good teacher. Damn, they're all putting 41s. Do you guys see that shit? I must be a good teacher.
What?
Can you tell us the origin of 41?
You don't know 41?
I don't even know it. Y'all
Chat.
Y'all haven't even
It's because
told
Nick
me.
is 41 years old.
Chat, he don't even know. Do we tell him? Chat, do we tell him or what?
Coach.
So,
Did you break that down for them one of these times?
41 is like the community. It's like my number I have with like my chat, my community, my students, everything. It's
That's deep. One for all.
all for one, yeah.
All for one.
You
for
should,
all.
make you should make
Dang.
a Legacy Fund of Futures jersey and
That's
put
what we're saying.
41
41 on the
there.
back. That's the
That'd be
goal.
tight.
That's
We're gonna have
deep.
'em.
That's
That'd be
deep.
tight.
All for one for all.
I'd buy that.
Hell yeah.
You gotta
It's
make
still
it
respecting
like
this guy, by the way. 1 minute time frame.
41's in the chat. Hell yeah. Well, I appreciate any of you guys who are prior students of mine or whatever. I hope you guys are killing it. It's actually cool seeing you guys still here showing up at the calls. You guys don't even know how many of your guys' pillar members probably stopped trading after. That's why we always tell you on like the first call is that like it's really up to you and how bad you want it. Some people, it's the power of numbers. Some people aren't gonna take it as serious, want to whatever. And guess what? Half of you guys are actually being profitable, passing your accounts. Like I've seen a lot of you guys actually get funded and getting payouts now, that's the whole goal. I can't even see the chat. You should scoot the chat over. Like you should move your Google over.
Oh, I could do like half screen,
No, like yeah, like take the top right corner
top right corner.
and just like but then
I mean, it's still showing it's showing this exact window for them. It's not cutting it off for them.
I do the same thing.
What do you do?
I'll just like make the chat small on the side and then just put the rest of it's just the whole trading view.
Oh, like the entire Discord, you mean?
Yeah, I'll do like
Oh, that's not what I meant to do.
I'll do like this. I thought there was a way to like
We're still seeing your
Pop it out?
your screen
No,
though,
you put it
right
like-
now.
yeah, no, you're still gonna see the screen, but you like I thought there was a way to make the chat kind of smaller. But then just like go like this. And kind of like just this so that we could read the chat. I don't know if you can still see. Is that good enough for you?
Oh yeah. There you go. So on the left, we're still looking at the 1 minute on the right, and then we got 15 minutes on the left. So we got 5 minutes until the close of the 15 minutes, so it's probably going to want to draw down in there. That's why this 1 minute gap could have been used as an entry. It's really crazy how the market respects those gaps, guys. Look at this. All of these candles, the wicks might be coming above, but all the bodies are staying inside of this gap.
Nick, turn your hair up on.
Okay,
Until it doesn't, I guess.
done. So,
Let's go.
Okay.
Somebody just
It might be a little
ordered,
early 'cause we got 5 minutes.
150K.
150K?
Yeah, somebody just ordered a 150K.
Let's go!
Dang.
Shout out to you. Welcome to the Legacy family.
Make sure you guys, if you just bought an account, go to the help desk and they'll get you that green badge.
Yes, sir.
Still got 4 minutes left for the 15 minute.
Why is Nick so quiet? That man be yapping, crashing out during London session.
Who said that?
Rice Ninja.
That's so funny.
I'm dead.
You guys are actually getting to know
Rice
me.
Ninja's DM. That's funny you said Rice. I'm literally reading your DM right now, Rice Ninja. What like, does he actually live in San Diego?
I don't know.
You said, let me pull up. It's like, motherfucker, where?
Send my proof to report to support. Support will get back with you shortly.
I'm
Yeah,
about to
but
buy
support-
another 150K. Let's go.
Is Friday the
Let's
last day
get
for
it.
the OJ pre-sale?
Yeah, and like I said, if you guys want to win the MacBook, you guys gotta be an OG member.
Hey, how about this? Shadow Monarch. You buy another 150K. I'm hopping in the pool.
Where are y'all? We're on my rooftop.
I think Nick just went. I'm gonna take his MacBook and show you guys where we're at. I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour.
This is on.
I'll turn it on.
Yeah, his is on.
His camera's on.
I haven't
Yeah.
even showed you guys. I haven't even made a vlog on my place. It's pretty dope. Put W in the chat if you guys like the crib.
I'm gonna take your computer.
Alright.
Show him like the pool table. He like walks right past the pool table and everything.
Alright, guys.
Like all the cool
So
shit,
listen up.
all the games. and
This is the
everything.
place. And I want you guys to pay attention. Let me just make sure it's
What?
still.
Bro's talking around and walking and he's muted.
Holy! You see that pool right there? If we get 3 accounts spot in this stream, I'm hopping in. I'm gonna make Nick hop in too, and Chris. Matter of fact, let's get Luca in there too.
I can-
You guys
I
buy
can't-
3
I
accounts in
can't
this
swim.
stream. We're all hopping in. Alright? Every account purchased is every one of us hopping in. So get on that. Really beautiful place though.
That's not what I think of when
Kitchen.
someone says apartment. Hey, that happens when you start when you're a trader. You're not living in normal apartments. Me either. I'm too Canadian. I can't. I'm broke right now, guys. You guys can. We're literally giving you guys free trades and shit here. Like I don't know if you guys know this, but so I can show you guys on my account. But last month I made about 18K on my account. I took 0 trades off stream. Every single trade I took has been in front of you guys. So it's like, I don't know how you're broke. We're not broke. You guys taking trades with us. What happened? Such a W, man. Yes, sir. Every trade I take is either in stream during Power Hour or during New York. There's like, right now, I guess is one of the first like ever. So I didn't even know what.
Trade's looking good.
You only use 50K real capital? Yeah.
Hey, if you guys buy the accounts, send it in chat, and we're all hopping in the pool. All right?
You guys gotta think is that like, yes, my account's at 50K or whatever, but it's like I risk around at 1,500, and everyone was asking me like scale up and stuff. There was a period where I don't know if you guys remember, but I was risking 3K a trade. It kind of was fucking my psychology a little bit more because if you lose 3 trades, that's already like 10K, and I was just like, wait a second, you know, like I'm still like in my early 20s, guys. Like I don't need to. You know, but it'll come with time. You guys will see the growth. Like soon we'll be doing fucking 100K trades.
Chris, bro, what do you think? It's closed above the gap. 1 minute left.
What lot size on 50K account? I'm currently running 50K funded. Well, I'm trade like it's different
I
on
don't
the
know, Marky.
brokers. I'm guessing.
I'm still bearish.
How's your lot size? I use
That's about
0.5. It says they froze. Did yours? Did we freeze?
Yeah, you guys froze.
What's your computer? Can you fix it? Lucas certified sir. Can you guys hear us though?
Check. Oh, it's not frozen. Who's lying? Who's lying?
Wait, it's frozen. on
Oh,
my
that
side.
one froze. Yours froze because of the low power. Yours is about to die. Nick.
Oh, mine did? Mine froze?
Yeah.
No, this one looks like it's dead.
You can leave the call now.
Is it better now? Chris?
Ooh, we're gonna run.
Chris, is Marcus back up?
Let me see.
Maybe the internet went out real quick. All of ours paused for a second. Okay,
Yeah,
we're all back up.
All
We're
of
all
ours
back
did
up.
pause
Oh my
actually.
gosh.
Yeah, we're good. Ooh.
Guys,
There you go. There you
Luca
go.
tough. I appreciate y'all. You guys are dope. What were we talking about? I
Oh,
forgot
did
what
you see
we were
the
talking
drop right now? Is that what you were talking about?
Yeah, we're good.
Hey!
Dude, I think we're gonna run straight through that 30.
Straight through that and down.
about. And then Nick's gonna do the cha-cha slide. What lot size? I use a 0.5 lot size for indices. I use a
Really?
0.5
Attention?
on like US 30 and Nasdaq.
Or maybe I did.
I don't really trade
Or
gold.
not
That's why
especially.
when I was asking
I'm a
Mark
little
what lot
sweaty,
size to
though.
use,
Dang, you have a pro?
I wasn't. I'm not trading this on my bigger
Oh, yeah,
live
'cause
account,
I
guys.
was looking it up. I got some.
I loaded up a small one because I don't trade
My bad,
gold.
Nick.
I usually don't even like to trade stuff that whatever. I like indices.
Hey, if you guys have some questions for what Luca's trading system is and how he trades, easiest way to find out is to tune in for his streams. Come on, guys. Same with all of us. The way that trading is, it's all about like personality. Like you have the freedom to choose your system. You have the freedom to choose like how you react and how much you're risking. So you kind of like look at each and every one of our personalities and figure out which aligns best with the kind of like way that you want to be trading.
Yep.
That's what we teach. We teach exactly how we trade, and you guys can learn based on how you want to be trading.
So many ways to trade, guys. And we all trade a little different. Like I feel like I'm pretty like lower time from scalp, littler moves. If you like that, if you like holding a little bit longer, using higher time frames, you know, I feel like what they're using. You guys kind of can tell just by trading what you kind of like. Whatever it's called.
Why is my mic on? Who turned this shit on?
Maybe we could after this, guys. If we win this trade, we're gonna continue the stream. We're gonna put it over there and play pool
Bet.
for a challenge.
I wonder if the YouTube,
They don't want to see me.
the YouTube might have gone out because of the Wi-Fi.
Buy an account, come jump in that pool.
Oh no, it's still live.
Pool party, hell yeah.
Can you turn
Once we
it
have the
from
accounts,
1,000 to
guys, and
2,000?
stuff, we'll do that. Like we'll go jump in, have stuff. Yeah, it's an IRL AMA. Take you guys along with us for the day.
Hey, who's watching gold? Who's watching gold? Who is watching that? Hey yo, he back. Isn't it about to die though?
Yeah, you can hear me.
Oh, nice. You driving.
Yeah.
Do they have plugs up here?
Fit check.
You don't even want to see our fit.
Is Rhythmic mobile as well? Yes. You can get on your phone.
Excuse me.
Someone said I'm in for buys. ... Hey, well, guess what? You could do. You know, there's a 50-50 chance it can go either way. For me personally, I'm in profit, so I don't really care. You buy.
I'm gonna record something real quick. I'm gonna walk up and ask you guys what we're doing.
What do you do? What do I do for a living? What do you do for a living? I buy when it's selling and sell when it's buying. No, I'm kidding. But actually, though, you actually do want to do the opposite, though. For real. Buy low, sell high.
Yeah. They're not wrong when they say that.
Can I get up? I'm up 500. Let's go. I buy and sell candles.
Oh, fuck.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah. I'm up.
See, but like, yeah, why does he have this thing like this? Go back over to this. Oh, guys are melting. Come on. We're in profit. Let's go. We up 2.5K. Let's go. Someone's up 2.5K on that.
Hey boys.
Let's go.
We all tuning in today for the stream.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
How's the trade
We
looking,
up.
Chris? How's the trade looking?
Check it out. We were
Up 500.
We running it.
Wait,
Someone in the
wait,
chat said they're
wait.
up 2.5K.
Oh.
Let's go.
Someone said they're up 2.5K.
Up 2.5K. How much people are tuning in right now? 94
Like
people.
90.
We got 94 people trading with us.
Someone said they're $5 though. Let's go.
We're confident in our trading system, and we give
Damn,
you
it's
guys
reverse
free
it.
slots.
It's great equal lows though. Hopefully you come take this
If
shit.
you want to be a part of these streams, guys, it's all in Legacy's Discord, so be sure you guys tune in. I'll have the link in the caption, so just
for
tune
fun.
into the Discord. Enjoy a beautiful view with us and some beautiful trades. Come on, guys.
Hell yeah.
Hey, let me ask you guys something though. Remember that jet ski?
Yeah.
What happened with that?
Yeah.
What happened with that? Look at
It was a weird angle. You got a head start.
what happened with that?
And go back to get the trades reversing. Wah, wah.
Oh, we ran back up real quick.
Oh, you made 500? We already closed.
Nah, it didn't even sweep out the low, and we got a long way to go down, so I'm not too worried about little moves like this.
Yeah, no, we're chilling.
Let's go. Do it again. Double down mark. So it's a double down. I'm not trading to leggings. Hey, hell yeah. Well, soon, brother. Sooner than you think. I'm kind of hungry. What do you want to do for dinner?
That's a good question.
You said dinner?
Ooh.
Wait, Kava?
I thought we were headed to a steakhouse.
Oh, you want to go to steakhouse tonight?
Guys, steakhouse?
Whatever.
Fogo, what is it? Fogo de Chao?
Yeah.
Guys, we were running profits, but you know.
I low-key guided him to double down last week and we lost together. That's funny. Well, I'm on the beach somewhere. We created those equal lows, bro. We couldn't sweep that shit.
I know. I'm wondering what it wants to like do before running down. It filled that 30-minute gap. Like, it would have been looking good if we got that 30-minute gap.
We live trade in Asia over in this, yes sir. In the Legacy Discord, we got like 90 some people here. But we're in these gold cells. We'll see how it goes. Oh, out here with the boys. So, say what's up to the vlog, chat. Put some 41s. 41s in the chat. Say what's up. Hell yeah. Make sure you guys come join the Legacy Discord, guys. Best live trading around, every single session covered by the GOATs. Come through. Hell yeah.
That's a nasty rejection.
Yeah, respected the. Remember, guys, what we were expecting is because the higher time frame, which is the daily, has a bearish target, really good bearish target, down below, 3, 3, 4, 5. We have a daily bullish gap that we missed with the last 2 days. So what I was expecting in today's daily candle is for us to run down all the way into this gap, sweeping out both of these lows. Why? Because this previous daily candle respected this gap right here. So it's kind of showing us signs of like a bearish move. And so on the lower time frame when Asia session started, we closed below this bullish gap and I was already like looking for those shorts, expecting it to go down, but we're getting a lot more buy side than I expected. I'm just wondering what it's pulling up into now before we get that confirmation. We were looking for 15-minute, right? Like I just said, to close below, but it did respect it. At the end of the day, like this is a bullish gap and we expect buy side from that gap. But today I was just looking for it to close below and we took the trade a little early. That's totally fine. We took on the risk. If we take a loss here, that's totally fine. Like I said, this was just a 1-minute confirmation. We'll be looking for the actual higher time frame confirmation once we get like a close below that 15-minute gap or we create a new 30-minute gap. So let's look for some new confirmation here. Almost took out these highs.
We should get some burgers. Yeah, we could. Barbecue up here.
Some potatoes.
Short-term sells, long-term buys. I'm thinking long-term short. Because we're approaching one of the biggest bearish months of the year on gold, which is going to be September.
Oh, they can't even hear us?
Now they can.
They're still muted, yeah?
Yeah, it's unmuted now.
Nah? Damn. Guys, they were talking so much shit right now. You know why they were talking shit too? Mike was muted. That's why. Now, it's quiet as hell. It's quiet as hell now.
No, why don't you tell us what happened?
no.
What were we doing? We were jet skiing today?
No, Stan was talking shit about.
What were we doing?
Oh yeah, should we tell? Should we tell you guys?
Sit down again.
We went jet skiing today, and Nick on the way out was like, "Nah, I jet ski before. I'm fucking goat at this shit." Guess what? We go to leave, and he can't even like reverse the jet ski to leave. He bumps into like 4 of them on the way out. Absolutely just crashes the jet ski first time on the water. Too bad.
We're fine.
2 seconds in.
We haven't got charged yet,
Yes.
but it's fine.
If Luca gets like a 3K charge on his car,
Oh nah. If anything, bro, like.
how's he gonna pay that
Couple
off if
hundred.
we're about to hit our SL right now?
Oh, I've been running it up during London all week, bro.
Hey,
Ew.
what a.
I'm talking shit.
All right, I gotta mute. Nah, I'm just kidding. We got this, guys. We just sweeped out the highs. We're still respecting this 30-minute gap. We're closing 15-minute candle. Come on, we got this. New 15-minute candle opens. I think we're running down. I can't believe we got this buy side in the first place, especially when the daily is respecting this bearish gap so much. Come on. Eco lows now. We got a whole bunch of liquidity built up right here. Let me get out of this. Let's also check the news event tomorrow, what time that's at, what kind of news event we're working with. Tomorrow we got unemployment claims, 5:30 PST. Nah, we should be good. We should be good. If anything, guys, I'm still looking for this narrative for sell side all the way up until news. So once news hits, I'm gonna still run it down. Lost 800 because I got in too early. I mean, we got in early too. It's just part of the game. If we're impatient, we do end up taking losses like this. Hasn't even had BOS yet, break of structure. You don't necessarily always need break of structure. It's more about like timing.
Bias and liquidity.
We're just not in at the right time yet. What do you think? We just swept out those highs.
We're chilling. We're still alright.
Okay, if it does run higher, let's think about where it would go. So 30-minute time frame, we do have this gap right here. Now that could be one of the potential, like it's just above that gap, it'll go down into it. That's one scenario. Second scenario might be filling up this 1 hour completely because we didn't do that in the first place. Third scenario might be the fact that we're just respecting this IFEG. Remember I talked to you about that earlier?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
the only thing that
That's
we were
the
kind of
only-
afraid of.
That was like holding us.
And it's because of like the 6 or 8 o'clock in Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah.
The new 1 hour candle closed, so we started expanding after that. But if it's 1 hour confluence, then we might also get a 1 hour confluence. That might be what we're aiming for. Let's be patient now and look for that turnaround. Do you
Yeah,
think this
that's
trade
fine.
will work on futures? It's going to be the same way. Like if it runs
It's
up
the
right now into the 1
same
hour,
thing.
same exact thing.
Yeah.
It might look like it hasn't swept the high yet, but sometimes it does happen. Like I'm on the future chart and it's like a little bit delayed, so the sweep doesn't happen on the future chart when it happens on the forex, and then it ends up like working out still.
On the actual futures contract, we took out like 2 daily highs, which is like a great indicator that we're gonna trade lower.
So guys, one of the things is like with these gaps, there's no such thing as like the gap's not working. The only thing, like whenever you take a loss, it's because you're aiming for like sell side when it's bullish, right? This gap, we were obviously expecting the 15-minute one first of all to close below to actually run down. Now it wanted to go up instead, and now if you look at it like from a after perspective, like even though I took this loss, like when I look at it after, it makes sense. We have a bullish gap right here, right? Closed above it, came back into it, respected it, and then it respected the 15-minute gap and ran on these equal highs into this 1 hour. Like that makes a lot of sense. And the only thing is like I was looking for sells, and that's fine to take a loss when we're looking for sells. Now we just have to wait for it to hit this like gap, maybe fill it up completely, and then we can look for that one more time. One more time. This would probably be the last trade of the day because like if I'm wrong about this one and I get wicked out, then it's probably not going to be running on sell side. Or if it does, it might be waiting for the news event, you know? Crazy amount of buy side. I don't really regret like looking for sells because I do still think the overall narrative is going to be sell side We're getting a crazy amount of buy side here. Let's see. Hey, the vlog that we filmed today is gonna be fire too. Do you think?
You got some intro parts?
Yes,
Nice.
that's what I was filming.
Nice.
They just never sent over.
Oh, okay.
Probably gonna have to wait till I get home because the connection's pretty bad here.
Yeah.
Lost 900. Hey, it's part of the game.
Yeah,
It's part of the game.
happens.
We're gonna make it back as long as you like don't lose like up until your daily loss limit. Remember, have your own personal rules. Don't full port like we do. You can only full port if you're willing to lose the amount that you're risking, and I'm only ever risking an amount that I'm willing to lose. And if I'm trading a live account, I just know that I'm gonna make it back once it does start running towards my narrative. Especially because when it runs up and you know that it's eventually gonna run down, if you catch a move, like one trade is gonna make up as long as you can hold it. Most people, the mistake they make is that they aim for big targets, right? They aim for big targets and they take loss after loss trying to get to that big target. The moment they catch the right trade towards that big target, what do?
They just
They
hold it.
Nah, they close it early.
Yeah.
Like that's the problem that most people have, that they don't make money when they're aiming for big targets. If you're aiming for a big target and you're trying to get in again and get in, you can take losses as long as you're able to hold the trade once you get it. Okay, so we did tap into the 1 hour here. What would we look for to confirm that sell side?
Inversion.
Yeah. We didn't invert just yet, so let's be
Yeah,
patient.
Let
Might
her
run
run.
higher.
We want to see a little bit of momentum. Gold is just, it's one of those things where it moves a little bit before it runs.
Yeah, especially if a big move is coming, guys. Like, if a big sell move is coming, there's always that fake manipulation move. No. Sometimes we like to see when it doesn't take out the high. Just respects the gap, because people will be aiming for this high and they won't get their fill. So if we close below, I think I'm going to go in for one more trade. Remember, this is going to be half my risk. So whatever you place on your first risk, always half it, because I'm still getting in early. Like, there's still the potential that we sweep out this high, fill this gap completely. There's still that potential. But I'm not going to, like, be afraid to take a position if I have a narrative. Let's go. Tight SL on this one. I'm only going to put my SL right above the high. And the reason why I'm doing that...
We're running, Mark.
We are? The reason why I'm doing that, like where I put my SL right above the high, so I did get in again, is because if it goes above this high, it's probably not just going to run higher. It's going to fill this entire gap. So you put your SL above the high, you have a tight SL, and you run it up, guys. That's how you minimize your losses. Okay, 3, 3, 4, 5. Not only what I was telling you guys earlier, right, being able to hold the positions, but one of the things that you can also do is layer in. So if you have this profitable trade that, like, now you know it's going to run down, now it's running, your first trade, you can go break even on that first trade. Now what you can do is you have the power to add positions, right? So once that, like, momentum starts and it starts running down, so we just probably tapped back into this gap. Once that starts running and your first position goes break even, then you can start adding more positions with the confirmations that you start getting. There you go, we tapped back in. Are we going to start running now?
Someone said y'all gotta have wild accounts. I got 1,500. 1,500 is enough.
That's plenty.
That'll get you far.
Yeah. What I do with, like, when I traded smaller amount of capital is I would withdraw constantly. Like, I wouldn't full port the initial capital that I had, but after, like, trading 1,500, getting 500 withdrawal, 500 withdrawal, 500 withdrawal, and, like, eventually I'd make so much where I'm comfortable now risking more of the account. And that's the way that you kind of like get to it. You don't just blindly hop in if that's all you have and try to full port it. You kind of work your way towards like that psychology, being willing to lose the money because you already made enough. My mentor just turned 159 into 3,400. That's good stuff. Let's see.
Is your mentor Marky?
Literally. I just mean people losing 800, 900, etc. I'm losing. I would assume. Well, most of them are trading prop firms and not live accounts.
Mm-hmm.
So 1,500 is like the same as like their prop firm, like which will probably allow them 5% or 3% daily loss. Well, they'll have 3,000 total to risk that day. You have 1,500 to risk. Well, actually, you don't, because if that's like your main account, you want to only be risking a certain percentage of that. Hey, but the best way to flip live account is to hold long positions. Like, not long positions, but hold the positions for a long period of time. Okay, are we finally respecting that gap? Remember, this is a very tight position. Why? Because if it goes up above this high, it's probably going to sweep the entire fair value gap. Are you guys in the trade? Yes, we're in the trade. I just mean people losing. Okay, I already read that. Ooh-wee. Me losing 800 is because I'm on 50K funded. There you go. How much drawdown do you have on that account? $750 to $1,500 in 1 week. That's good. How much are you withdrawing of that, Aiden?
Mark, if we do end up playing pool, we could set up your tripod and just connect your phone to the stream. That
Oh
way
yeah,
can
we
see.
can.
That, yeah, you can connect it through the Mac.
I'm gonna go wash my hands too.
Alright.
Been sitting on the floor.
Cool. What's going on, guys? Doing pretty good right now. It's futures account, so it's 2K. Dude, I love me some futures accounts. Some people would say you don't get as much drawdown, but just the fact that you have so much precision, it adds up way more. That's why you see the biggest payouts are through futures, is because it's so much more precise. I do hold them longer. I held my NAS trade. It's like it's a good daily expansion right there, 8:30 to 11. Today we had a huge, we already went over it, but we had that huge expansion just all day grinding up. Probably we'll see some more all-time highs soon just from that. Trade's looking pretty good. You see all of our closures, all of our wicks right here are like pretty well respected, so it's easy to understand. Yeah, it's so easy. Honestly, it's just straight fair value gaps, higher time frame fair value gaps. A good amount of the time, you should have confirmation, but just a higher time frame fair value gap is enough to tell you where it's going to go.
Some days you will have confirmation, other days it will just run, and that's why you kind of just have to risk a certain amount that you're willing to lose and accept the fact that you're getting in early because of a daily time frame confluence. Like, you just gotta do that some days. Like, we do that. That's why we get in early. But most of the time, like, the trades that we actually end up like holding, those happen after the confirmation. So as a trader, it's best to like actually just wait it out. It's been really difficult. The only reason like I would think that I might be wrong with like my narrative is because September's, like, if we look at the, let me pull this up for you guys. Actually, I shouldn't do that on there. If we look at the seasonal tendency, the month of August is bullish following July. But the fact that July was pretty bearish and it actually ended up closing bearish, I just expected that the next month wasn't going to follow that seasonal tendency. Let me show you guys the exact seasonal tendency that I'm talking about. And I've been using this literally for the last like 5 years, and it's been respected every month. Like, there's going to be some amount of like, oh, I can't copy paste it. Okay, let's see.
Are you guys still trading?
Yeah, we're still trading.
We're still trading. We set it up right now though.
Okay, SL got swept out on that. I'm gonna be more patient on this last one. So we got in 2 trades without higher time frame confirmation, and I'll take that as a lesson for the day. Journal about this, that I didn't wait for confirmation and it ended up giving me 2 losses here. It might go back up to 3,400. It's a pattern. I look at gaps, so my strategy will revolve around the gaps that exist on the chart. Like this 1 hour, that's the reason why I took that trade in the first place. But yeah, I think we might just end the stream, because if I'm on stream, it kind of like encourages me to place trades, but I'm gonna be a little more patient and actually wait this out. If you guys do want to know what I'm gonna do with this specific setup, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and I'll post it on my story for the day. Full send traders. Let me share it for you guys. Let me know you guys tuned in. Hold it, my boy. I probably will with a lower lot size swing position. I'm really confident in the higher time frame narrative that it's going to go down, but I do think that it's going to run down. I want to be patient. I actually want to wait for the higher time frame confirmation. Wait. Before we go, guys, do you guys want to see the...
Hold on, guys. Do you guys want to see us play pool 2v2? Say 41 in the chat if you guys want us to play pool. 2v2. It's going to be a 2v2. You guys will see.
All right. Fine.
They say yes.
Yeah, they said yeah.
You're right here.
I think that's a pretty solid angle. That's a pretty solid angle.
Can I see?
What's up, chat? 41. Wow. So many amazing people in chat right now. How do you make your chat like that?
Wait, let's see the last chat.
All right, guys. We need to see.
What are the teams?
We'll send traders.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, that's gonna be unfair.
Me and Luca versus them. It's guys. You should already start. You guys want to place bets? We'll do bets. Loser has to jump in the pool. Best 2 out of 3.
Can't see anyone. They said they can't see.
They can't see us. Are you on your phone, Optic? Sometimes when people on your phone, you can't see.
Chris, you should just turn yours off.
Yeah. Or get a different angle.
Or actually, yeah, you get a different angle actually.
Put it like over there on the
Yeah, like double angle.
I'm on PC. I wonder what happens. I only see marks.
This is Mark's.
Maybe because you're clicked onto his trading view live, you have to click out of it and go to his face cam. I see both. Yeah, a lot of people see both. So, all right, guys. Me and Luca versus them. Type 1 right now if Luca and me are gonna win. Type 2 if you think Mark is. If I don't see ones, this live is ending.
Hey, what's going on over there?
Loser buys dinner. Luca always buys dinner no matter what.
One low
Oh
key.
hell no! Come on, guys. I step away for a second, and this is how you guys treat me.
All right, no, we see this though.
Switched up on my boy.
Who breaks? Type 1 for Luca and Nick to break. Type 2 for full send traders. Let's go. I already know we're gonna end up breaking, but like I figured, why not ask? You know.
Right here.
Yeah, we won. 1-1.
Is it me?
Yeah.
Just another angle of break right here.
That's too similar to this one though.
Yeah, but if like we're standing where you're standing, they'll see. Unless we move the table somewhere else. None of the other tables are fall. I have an idea.
What a start.
Bro, he made the white ball off rip. What the fuck? We might actually lose these guys.
Alright, you guys go. I fucking queued it.
That's
All right, guys, be honest with us right now.
Full send traders go.
Whoa, what the fuck is that? Completed? Fire, Andrew.
Mark, do you play Full Metal? Yeah, I do.
Here. This is one.
I haven't played it in a while. But
Here, get out of the way though.
Yeah.
Nick, the type to just stand in the fucking camera the whole time, just so you can see him.
Alright, so we scratch it. Are we playing?
Yeah, you go. Anything. Sure.
Let's focus on YouTube. Try to solve it. I don't know, I think this was easy.
But that looks pretty easy actually. Yeah, I would go down.
They're trying to calculate it like a setup.
Whoa!
Solids. We're solids for you guys. For your guys' information.
You gotta check the RR on that.
That's right there.
We.
Snap.
So we're solids. We are.
Oh. Did he touch our ball? Did he touch our ball?
No, I didn't.
You're allowed to touch. Do that ball.
Multi POV go crazy, guys. Would you watch IRL streaming? We've thought about it.
Let's go. Wait, guys, place your bets on who you think is gonna win for the YouTube. Come on.
Who's gonna win?
Nick and Luca or Marky and Chris? Come on.
I can't see.
Mark calculating the IFG pool as well. Facts. Multi POV go, bro. Come on, guys. I'll set up another POV for you guys.
It's me and Luca. It's honestly unfair teams. It really is. I'm sorry to say that. Look at that. Easy. Lightweight. We do it out there. NLT. Yeah. It's NLT versus full send. All right. NLT versus full send.
Hey guys, it wouldn't be the first time that they got destroyed, okay? I'll just say that.
Hey yo! We also sweeped out that high on Golden.
Oh,
Nobody saw him touch the ball.
Mark?
Nick, how about you make one?
What the fuck? I
had, like, one shot.
shot.
I thought you were talking shit. Who saw that?
What do you got to aim for? I'm gonna get our balls out of here. I don't know. And watch this purple one. See that purple one right here, guys?
Yeah.
Straight into that hole. Alright?
There's literally like negative chance of that going
I need a different stick. It's a stick, guys. It's not the player, it's a stick. Come on, please. Don't blame the player, blame the guy.
Nick. Yeah, Nick got one of theirs before ours.
Did he touch my mark too? Is that
He
a
hit
strat?
it in.
Is that a strat?
No. He just made ours.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Miguel. I mean, after Nick's performance, we'll see. Oh, what the fuck? I had that one.
No Z, full send.
Oh, that was a trick shot. That was a trick shot, guys. That was
Why
a trick
is
shot.
full send fucking winning right now? Sorry to cut.
When do we lose? Watch this, behind the back.
Can I figure out who's voting full send?
Bro, get out of the way so they can see.
My bad.
Nick wants you guys to stare at him.
I do. My turn?
Yeah. Chris is up next. I know Chris is about to clutch us up.
No, you just.
You know you can't lie.
I would hit that green one in. Hit the corner.
Hey, everyone look here. Actually, I gotta hop on the other side. It's for the thumbnail. Come on. Everyone go on that side. So the lighting's nice.
Hit it.
Fire.
I'll take fire. Whose turn?
That's my turn. I don't see any shots. Actually, let me try this.
Above the table, is it?
Remember last time when you went on the second time, you just hit the 8 ball?
Damn.
My turn?
You jinxed it.
Yeah, your turn.
You literally brought that up and then you made it happen.
Oh, scratch?
Scratch.
He literally talked about it. You go over.
This is a freebie. I can't mess with you. Chris. They need this angle. I know.
Shut up,
Guys, always switch up on your day ones. Go for the people that are winning.
Wait, they're not even winning by that much.
And
We will be though.
you placed that in.
Oh, that's bad.
That's my ball. As soon as you touch it, it's over.
Guys, Nick has to. Oh! That's a scratch in anything, so you can remember.
Alright, time to make the shot, guys.
Guys, Nick has a scratch. He's still gonna miss.
God, we angling this shit. I took college math.
Nick
and
got
I
a
went to
scratch.
college,
He's
so
still gonna miss. Come on. You guys think Nick really got it like that?
Oh!
End the stream.
Oh my
What you
god.
guys to say about that? Exactly. Alright, Chris is up. Come on. Show him what's good.
Chad,
It's not a single shot here.
if Nick doesn't make one ball, he has to go in the pool. He has to go in the pool.
Oh yeah, he's a jump.
Clothes on. Clothes on. Shoes on. It's scratch. It's over.
Hey. Aw, come on. You broke it up though. You broke it up.
Yeah.
See, I was trying to get here so I could put that one. Oh, it was off the wall.
Who's starting first?
Are people still sticking around? If you guys are still around here, you're a real one.
Mark, you just won, right?
Yeah, there's still some Choochies in here.
Who do you guys think is actually gonna win?
Yeah, but didn't Luka just go?
Yeah, you win.
Now, the fact that Full Send won the vote, that honestly upsets me.
Guys, see this ball? Into this hole, okay?
No.
Yeah. Come on. Chalk it up real quick.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. Cheer on Nick. We need it. Go.
That's crazy. That was a crazy shot.
We needed that.
Coming back.
Thank you
Guys,
for that,
not
chat.
looking good for the full send traders. This is not looking good.
Let's go, Nick. Oh. Dude, why is all
Alright,
three
Chris,
of
you're
ours
up.
next
Chris,
to each
you're
other
up.
in one area?
Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris.
Okay, that's it.
How, dude? All of ours are in one. You guys see that, chat? We have all 3 of our balls on all next to each other.
Full send traders versus the NLT. Ooh. Chris is throwing our rank. I'm trying to rank up. I'm trying to rank up right now.
Hey, Luke, if we can't play offense, play defense.
I want to get out off the wall.
Okay, just break it up. That's fire. Let's go to how much time.
Alright, I'm up. Guys, watch this. This is what I call gambling.
This is not having an A+ setup.
This is not an A+ setup.
Trade out
whatsoever.
session.
I'm about to bang those 2 balls right there of ours. I might make in some of theirs. Who knows? Ooh, that was a close one. Oh my god, all 3.
Yeah, that was almost fire.
All 3
That almost
balls
would've been crazy.
spinning.
Guys, it's the stick. I tell Luke this all the time.
What's chat saying? Full send? NLT? Hey, who be switching up?
Oh yeah, dude.
Come on.
If you guys,
I can't believe you guys are switching up on your day ones. We're playing pool right now, guys. Full send traders versus the NLT gang. And people are saying right now, NLT over full send traders. Like, help me out. Come on, tune in and help me out. Sorry, guys. I'm using the cheat glitch.
Who's up? Marky yours.
What music again? I think when I lose, we need to and then we go get
Give me a second.
Loser.
No, bro. Rice Ninja all of a sudden's blocked from the chat. I don't know, bro. I don't know if he does, bro.
Who's next? Mark?
Yeah.
Oh, this is light. This is light. Come on. It's not as light as I thought it was, but this is actually not light at all.
Yeah, it's his right. He missed both.
There was a wall right there.
That's hilarious.
Let's see you guys do something though. This is a scratch incoming, so scratch incoming is. I know.
I was gonna
I
ask
know
for
the
14 down
comments
here.
are all about you stay in the standing. Bro, somebody needs to record how many times this guy stood in front of this camera. Alright, let's watch it.
Try to just put it next to it. Like lightly.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, that was perfect.
Oh.
Good shit.
Oh my goodness. Come on, Chris.
Alright, I got
Come on, come on.
Alright, I'll make this right here.
Look, it's all lined up, bro.
Oh,
I'm gonna go with that.
No.
That's fire. At least there's one free shot.
Nick set him up. Nick set him up for a banger.
Do you never had a telegram and your homie send you a signal and it's like, sometimes you gotta shoot.
Me and Chris are
I
down
gave
on
him the
ball.
setup, bro, and it's just by executing.
The microphone's off on that one, by the way.
We're down now, guys. We're literally down.
that was awful. I don't want to hit this one.
Yeah, it's actually not bad. He shouldn't make it. It's Chris's.
Alright, so. No, that's fine.
No, it's
It
not.
is. Yeah.
That one trick shot you almost had was crazy.
Bro, if all
That would've
3
been-
balls
Is it
were in-
recorded? FST for the win.
I think that was
Finally gonna
Oh, yeah, you blocked it.
get a shot off.
Try to get that red one.
I did that on purpose, Chad. I did that on
Oh,
purpose.
that's good. Yeah. Well, that's been a 6-9 shot.
Bro fell off. Dude, did you see that they took all his jewelry? They like evicted all of his jewelry.
You're down bad.
They just filled the 1 hour gap up top. That's like the highest it should possibly go. If it goes any higher than this, it's cooked. Like, it's not like, it's not it's just heading to all time.
All right, if you guys voted NLT, you're probably gonna win.
Guys, I know you're probably also watching Gold right now. You guys see that it came up, filled the 1 hour gap completely. If it goes any higher than this, it's cooked. Sells, not today.
I got a problem with Rice Ninja. Rice Ninja, we got beef now, bro. You want to say all that? Just because I'm a.
Whose turn is this? Mark, go.
You guys got one left? Oh, hell no. This is tough. I need to get this one out of here.
Yeah, that's fine. There's no shot really.
What the fuck was that? No, I gotta lean over this whole table.
No,
what?
he didn't hit anything. You're allowed to.
Oh, you got a scratch.
I keep.
Is it not funny, guys, when Chris literally walks up to the camera over there? Who winning? They're winning.
Wait, why are you doing that far away? Because, what do you mean? I would put it right here and do like this. Is that easier for you? Whatever's easier for you.
You see that blue ball on the other side of the table?
You put it right
That's the one that he's trying to make in right now. If he makes that, all they have left is the black ball. Me and Chris have all these three. Red, purple, orange. We had a strong start, but they low-key clutched it up.
Kind of rocket scientist. Yo, chat. Chat, look away. They can't hear me.
Top left.
What did you say, Bert?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so down.
Don't hit too hard. We don't do scratch. So with scratch, you figure out the rule is this: if you scratch after you hit the 8-ball line, then if you scratch anytime before you hit the 8-ball line, then it's not a scratch.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't go in. As long as it
Yeah,
doesn't
so
go
the
in.
8-ball goes in, then you scratch. Oh, it's W.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Let's go. And it's behind our ball. It's behind our ball. We still got a chance to win.
Alright.
And they
Let's
blocked
leave
it.
Bro, hit this red one, and even if
That
you
was
don't
almost
make it,
gas.
even if you don't make it, they got a terrible
Nick
shot.
was clutch, chat. You're not the one coming back.
Ooh.
No shot. Oh, damn.
Oh. Hey, that was good though, Chris. That was really good.
Can't shoot, bro.
W, W.
Play defense.
Defense means that our ball gets closer to the hole.
No, it doesn't.
Watch. Thank you.
All right, chat. What I was just explaining is, when it comes to scratching on the 8-ball, we figured out, or I figured out, the real rules is if you scratch before making the 8-ball, you don't lose. If you scratch after making the 8-ball, then it is a loss, right? Or
That's a
yeah,
harder
you know what I'm
shot.
saying.
And I feel like I can still like.
So
bang
Luka
it
did
from
scratch
there.
for the
It's, like,
5th
close
time.
to the ball. Alright, that's fine.
I have scratched a lot of this, but I have all the balls. Nick's only gotten in 2.
Oh my god.
It's like having a higher win rate, but more risk to reward. Like my win rate's less, my risk to reward's more. His win rate's like higher, but
What do we even do here? You're cooked. I had such a good setup. I threw it completely. Stick to the trades, brother. He
Yeah.
said stick to the trades.
just put the fries in the bag.
Oh.
Scratch.
Game.
Wait, but that's like a lame way to win.
So we just
Should you give me the ball back and let me hit it again?
just throw it over there.
Huh?
Gold still pushing?
And just like wherever they.
Oh, no shot right now. No shot.
All right, chat. We're playing fair. Realistically, he scratched. We could have won, but that's not a good way to win. We want to beat them.
Fair and square.
Yeah.
That's a really hard shot, though.
So technically, it's like a double ass whooping if you think about it.
Burr wants to play by the prop firm rules. Alright, I believe in you, Marky.
He's gonna make this shot.
Wait, I don't think you have to do that.
Whoa.
Yeah, he goes.
Just for the swag. Just for the aura.
Yeah.
That was aura.
Or farming.
No shot though. Unless he has to gamble on this one, guys.
Do it for the clip.
It's a gamble.
I believe in Marky.
That's going in.
Oh, that's
Oh
lit.
no fucking way.
I call that one. I call that
Nah, bullshit. We gave him the win by.
Let's go. I call that one.
Nah.
Come on, please.
Nah.
You missed this. Fate doesn't allow this. What I
Oh,
said.
he missed the whole fucking thing. So we could win double. What do we do?
I just leave it. Perfect.
Oh! I didn't even touch the
Hold
ball.
on, let me take a video. Alright, for the win, I mean, we could have won before. But. W. Oh, wait. Up. That's going to be good. W.
No, that's not it.
Who voted? Oh, it was 50-50?
What the fuck?
And the 50-50 for the vote. Shout out everyone who was here, though.
Good game. Good game.
Good job, sir.
Good job.
Guys, WIRL stream.
End it up.
Thank you guys for watching. You guys are the GOATs. If you guys voted NLT, congratulations.
You guys should have expected it. We told you off the jump what was gonna happen.
Are you guys going to continue it or are you going to end it?
We supposed to be trading. Red Dawn, we do everything here.
Let's check it out.
We had an AMA, we traded, we're here. I'll be trading tonight at London.
Yeah, hell no, that is not going down.
Here's end the stream.
Alrighty, boys. Thank
We
you all
love
for
y'all.
tuning in.